Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hikmah. I will presenting my presentation with theme identification and role of stakeholder in ecotourism development in Indonesia. My promoter is Ibu Endang Larasati, Ibu Hartuti Purnaweni, and Ibu Tri Wahyuningsih. Introduction. The development of ecotourism in the world today is very interesting to do in-depth discussion. Especially ecotourism is an alternative one of economic support in the modern area today, improving the economy of local communities, conservation center, and as a location to protect biodiversity, which it's elsewhere already experiencing. In Indonesia, the ecotourism sector has become a top priority in sustainable development by carrying out various kinds of promotion both at home and abroad carried out by the Indonesian government aimed at supporting the welfare of local communities and also preserving nature. Indonesia is a country that is rich in cultural riches and natural resources in it. In the area cover more than 70,000 islands. More than about 60% of Indonesia land has many types of forests and underland. Therefore, ecotourism need have rule and good cooperation between the government and tourism management, as well as inviting the participation of local communities in developing eco-friendly ecotourism that is also sustainable. This research will identify and also the role of stakeholders in ecotourism development in Indonesia. A deeper and brief analysis will be presented by a researcher in this research to be able to find some role that must be carried out by each stakeholder in development of ecotourism. The study will use qualitative research method with systematical literature review approach, especially for social research. Literature review, collaborative governance. Collaborative governance is a mechanism which is done by the government by involving the role of the private sector and the community to make effort to prevent and overcome any problem that cannot be done unilaterally by the government. Collaborative government is an ideal solution when applied in Indonesia in solving current public service problem. Collaborative government can be an alternative effort to solve very public problem, especially in ecotourism sector in Indonesia. Moreover, this is an effort to support the achievement of good governance by taking steps slowly that the government is no longer top-down but now leads to bottom-up by involving many stakeholders. The role of stakeholder. The problem in handling ecotourism certainly cannot be explained clearly, but it's very necessary to have two metrics that can detail the role that are performed in this collaborative government mechanism. At least some stakeholders in the development of the ecotourism sector, including those from the government, both the central and regional governments. And there are from the private sector, from the travel service company, hotel entrepreneur, as well as another rental service around the ecotourism area. And the third is local people who live directly and reside in the area. Method. This research will use a qualitative research method with the systematical literature review. model literature approach based on the use of Scopus database. In this Scopus database, there are many references from academic because they have a journal or another scientific article of very good repute. The formulation problem in this research is how the role of stakeholder in ecotourism development. Research and result and discussion. The role of stakeholder and ecotourism through the Scopus database. At least researcher have a journal with the detail. I use a SIGTI journal with author to find this journal. I use a Scopus database. Discussion. The discussion based on the above research that it's based on research with the systematical literature review model. So that the role of stakeholder consists of three main actors, including the central government and regional government, who act as facilitator and also provide interest to both the private sector and community to its sustainable policy. Then from the private sector, which has a greater role in improving the economic to advance this organization. So of course, it requires a careful calculation with its results. As for the local community, in enhancing their capabilities and improvement, a semi-formal organization that can be a good then can be a good social capital in a mechanism for ecotourism development in area is needed. Thank you.